Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And as a woman in my mid-40s, I've seen a lot of changes to my skin happen over the last few years. And one thing that I love about this Perfect One firming cream is that it can be used for so many different things that target a lot of areas. This is a 5-in-1 anti-aging cream that you can use on a daily basis, even twice a day if you want. You can use it as a serum, a moisturizer, an eye cream, a primer, or a mask. I've been using it primarily as under eye cream and then as a moisturizer after I cleanse my skin. Not only has this helped my skin to appear firmer and to soften fine lines, but I've even noticed that it's helped to lighten some of the darker spots that I've had on my skin from sun exposure. I especially appreciate the ingredients that are in this cream, like niacinamide. You really don't need much of it to apply to your face, neck, and décolletage. It even comes with a little spatula so that you can make sure that you're putting on the right amount. I found that it's best to use upward strokes, and then I cup my cheek area with my hands and kind of just very gently pull up and hold for 30 seconds. I found it takes my skin about 20 minutes to fully absorb in the moisturizer. This is made with high quality and effective ingredients, and of course with any skincare routine it's important to be consistent. I really like the results that I've seen so far, and that's my point of view.